Hi everyone. Every year, WHO marks 7th April as the World Health Day. The theme for this year's World Health Day is to beat diabetes. Diabetes globally is known as a silent killer, and India is currently leading in the pandemic. How do we see a diabetes patient always? With the array of emotions, grief, dismay, anger, and the feeling of having the burden of a lifelong illness. But no, today we are making you meet someone who will not only teach you but also inspire you to challenge yourself and, most importantly, to beat the unbeatable.
Hi, could you please tell us something about yourself?
My name is Dr. Komal Kanetkar and I'm currently doing my MD in Community Medicine. I've been a diabetic for the past 12 years, a happy diabetic.
How old were you when you were first diagnosed with diabetes mellitus?
I was around 13 years of age when I was diagnosed with diabetes mellitus.
And how are you doing right now?
Right now, I'm doing amazingly well. My blood sugars are in control and all my eyes, kidneys, nerves, all toes and fingers, everything is intact.
How did this control come about? I mean, what did you have to do for it?
How did this control come about? Well, one word, that is willpower. That's what I had and that's what made all the difference. Let's go back to the time when I was diagnosed, and as a child, a 13-year-old girl doesn't know what diabetes is really all about. All I knew was just I don't have to have sweets and I have to take some particular medications. But slowly and steadily, I realized and I was told that the restrictions are not just about sweets. No sweets, then I heard there's no rice, then I heard there's no potatoes. I was like, okay, I go to the dietitian, she gives me a diet chart. At this time you eat this, at that time you eat that, at this time you do this exercise, and at 10 o'clock in the night before going to sleep have a fruit and have milk, have only cow's milk, don't have buffalo milk. And I was like, okay. So I was doing that. I was taking my medication on time, I was following my diet restrictions very well, and within I think 3-4 months my sugars were in control. So I thought, wow, but was it really a wow? Was it really living? I had accepted that I have an illness. I had accepted the fact that in 10 years my kidneys are going to go bad. In 15 years it is possible that I may lose a foot or a toe or a finger. Because that's what generally by that time I had heard happens with diabetics. But is it necessary? Does it have to happen that way? The answer is no. And that's what I did. I decided that I'm not going to live a life like that. I was told by my mother that Komal, this is for life. You will be a diabetic for your entire life. And I was like, really? I was like, I'll do something different. I decided that if I have to be a patient for life, I'll become something which is the exact opposite of it. I'll become a doctor. Doctors never retire. So I decided if I have to be a patient for life, I'll become a doctor for life. So it became from D for diabetes to a D for doctor. And here I am today.
While you were battling with this disease every day, did you realize that indirectly you were inspiring people like yourself?
Absolutely not. I had no idea I was inspiring people directly or even indirectly. Over time in medical school and even today, I had people coming to me, juniors, seniors, sometimes teachers, relatives, neighbors, and all they would say to me is, could you please tell us how you do this? I mean, you inspire us, you inspire me. And I was like, why? What do I do? Like, you do so many things. You're a doctor today, you take such good care of yourself, and you're even doing so many other things, extracurricular activities. I was like, okay, I'm just doing what I'm supposed to do. What else is happening? And I realized just by living my life the way I think I should, I am inspiring people. I've even heard of this 9-year-old girl. I haven't met, both of us have never met each other, but I know that there's this girl somewhere in Bombay, and she got diagnosed at the age of 9, and her general physician told her about me that there is one girl who got diagnosed at her age, and she takes me as a role model. So just by knowing that one girl wants to take good care of herself because she knows that once upon a time there was another girl just like her who was diagnosed and she fought over it. She did not let the disease take control of herself. She took control of herself, and that's what makes her do better. That's what makes her feel motivated to take care of herself. And I feel blessed about it.
How do you think this video will benefit our viewers?
This video is definitely going to benefit viewers. Why? Because it's not like any other ordinary video that you generally find on social media channels on diabetes, you know. People have like they go for generally two options. One, they will haphazardly do whatever they want to do. Fine, I have diabetes. No regular checkups, no following diets, do whatever they want to do. Haphazard, reckless lifestyle. And then there's the other part of it, the other diabetic population, that they will follow everything so very rigidly. Oh no, I cannot have sugar. Oh no, I'm diabetic. Oh no, I cannot do this. Yeah, I know you cannot do this, but do you have to stress upon it so much? Do you have to live it so robotically? No. Live your life, be happy about it. If you're going out with people and they tell you like, let's have some coke man, let's just have some ice cream man, fine, have one piece, have one bite of it, but you do not have to have the entire thing. There are these two kind of people. One is the one portion which will live it recklessly, the other one which will live by it rigidly. And there's also the third option. That's what I chose to do, and that's what I would like to give people here, that this is what you can do. Be happy about it, accept what you have, but do not accept your limitations, but do not get limited. Do not get limited by it. There's a difference. And if you want to know more that how it is to be done, how I did it, how I still do it, how I'm going to do it, and how you can do it, please visit this link that we are providing you in the video, and you'll get most of your answers there. Thank you for watching.